Guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you believe it? It's been about like 3 weeks since we've headed out to the house. So, I hope you guys had a good Christmas. We just chilled out at the house. I made some breakfast and let me see, the kids opened the gifts. So we're gonna wait until January 1st or like the first week of January to check out the house. But after getting a contact from our contractor, the stucco is on now. So we figured let's just head out and check out the walls prior to the drywall being put on, so that if we want renovations, then you know, we know where things are behind the wall. For some reason, we always have a dumpster truck in front of the house. I don't know, never fails. So here we go. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for this to be over and done with. So hubby is taking a few like pictures and videos of different locations of where we probably want to do some renovations. So we did see this on someone's video stating what they did was, or they wish they would have, took pictures and videos of the walls, you know, so that when they make renovations, they know exactly what's behind the wall. So that's just what we're doing right now, which we thought was a really, really good tip and idea. We're definitely gonna make a video of things that we wish we would have known prior to, you know, building a home, and, you know, some of the things that we did do. But for right now, I'm just like so ready for this to be over with and just moving into the house, you know. Bless my mom's heart and everything, but I'm pretty sure she is like tired of us right now. But yeah. You guys, I am wearing my husband's shirt that I got him. It's cold, right?
Yes. Oh.
Be careful. Yo, you guys, I love our like view. You guys, look at the view. Yes. I love our view. It's just so like calm and everything. In the future, they're going to like have some homes probably built, you know, across the lake, but for now, this will be our view, and we're gonna try to just enjoy it. So if you look down, the dirt is cleared up. They're getting ready to put some grass down. See our neighbor's home. Bless you, baby. Our neighbor's home has grass laid out already on both ends. So yeah, guys, I can just stare at this view though. It's really nice. I wish, the only thing I kind of wish we had like a balcony or something. Just drink some coffee in the morning. Coffee is my thing. But I don't know, maybe I'll put in like a coffee, not like a coffee table, but like a little mini table in our master bedroom. I'm not sure yet. But I mean, there's not really much excitement going. Pretty much the same old going on. A few wires that I care nothing. Well, I do care about. I just, you know, it's not my thing. That's why hubby's walking around and checking things out. But yeah, I just can't wait until they put in the drywall and, you know, things start moving and all like the design stuff starts falling into place. That's like my thing. And all the electronical hardware and wires and all that stuff is Kevin's thing. So, but it is pretty cold. Nowhere near cold as if we were up north, but this is like Florida cold right now. So we are leaving the neighborhood. I don't know, like, how do you feel? Like, I'm excited to be moving and being in our like space, our own space. But then again, like we are out in the, I would say boonies, sort of, right?
Not boonies.
Boonies. Yeah, so we're
it's a whole journey.
Yeah, we're far from a lot of things, like our old neighborhood.
There's no Caribbean restaurants out here.
There's no Jamaican food. There's no Haitian like restaurant.
There's no Spanish food.
There's no Spanish food. Like, you know,
there's just nothing out here.
There's no like cultural restaurants. You know,
nothing.
Things that we eat.
There's a lot of reminders of where we are.
Yeah, I like that we're out like this, but then again, you know, I'm gonna miss those things. I'm gonna miss being like, babe, hey, can you go get some Jamaican food, or let me order some Haitian food, and you know, like we'll go pick it up or something like that. We definitely have to like pick up these items prior to coming to the home.
Yeah.
We can't like be home and say, oh, what do you want to eat? So I don't know. I'm excited. We have like, I would say like a month and a half left to moving. So before coming to the house, we actually stopped by Best Buy and I got a pen for the mini iPad that hubby bought, which supposedly is for me, but he uses it for his drone at work.
Racist.
Well, you do use it. You open the box. Like, I didn't even use it.
Still racist.
But anyway, since he said it was for me, I decided that I was gonna actually start using it. So I'm gonna start school soon. So got a pen so that I can take notes for my class or whatnot instead of having a whole bunch of paper everywhere. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm a little old-fashioned, where like I like writing things on paper. I still have a calendar. Yes, I have my calendar that I write things in. I barely use my phone as a calendar. So yeah, and I don't know, let me know if you guys want to see a video like this. I do watch other people in their videos because I'm interested in it. I like Louis Vuitton, but I have the 2021 PM agenda refills coming to the house. So if you want me to do like an unboxing with that, I'll do it just for the hell of it. But yeah, I think we're gonna go head out and get something to eat before we get to my mom's house. So apparently we're driving
I'm too
around.
dark for them to see me because I'm a ghost. You're arguing with a ghost.
No. So we're driving around because, you know, we're kind of hungry and we're still in the neighborhood, the new neighborhood. And so we found like a Japanese Thai restaurant kind of place. And I'm telling Kevin, no, I'm a little frugal right now until we get this home. So we're doing a rock, paper, scissors shoot, which I think we should just go to like McDonald's or something like that. Well, I don't even like McDonald's. I would say like Burger King.
You're arguing with a ghost, man. They can't see you.
They can see you right there. So apparently Kevin wants to do a rock, paper, scissors shoot. So here we go. I don't know. I think we should not be doing this. Whatever. Ready?
Apparently you married a long time. Let's go, kids.
No, I don't think we should eat here. Can we? Okay, what's another?
No, I want to choose. I want to go inside.
No, Irie, you don't even eat. Do you eat Thai food? So, in our old neighborhood, we had a Thai restaurant, and that thing was bomb. I don't even eat Chinese food. No offense to like Chinese people or anything like that, but I think we were watching a food channel on like a season show on like Netflix or something. Kevin like really likes watching like food stuff. I do too. And they were saying like the food that they claim is Chinese food in America isn't really Chinese food. I don't know. If there's any like Chinese people out there, let me know if that's a fact or a fiction. But yeah, I feel like Thai food is like so good and fresh. So I don't think we've like really eaten Chinese food. I don't know. I'm into trying things. So any of my Chinese people out there, if you know a good, like, legit Chinese, legit original foods in West Palm Beach, Florida, please leave that comment below. We like trying it. Let me look at this menu. So at the end, we ended up going to Outback Steakhouse, and right here I'm just playing tic-tac-toe with Irie. She couldn't get it for the love of her, but eventually she did at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.